receive the facts and send the brothers' photos to all local police agencies.
We finally get to Iowa early in the morning.
Their sister lives 20 miles from the bus station. They haven't told her they're coming.
We get a ride from this fella, and he's like a big biker dude, white beard. Our intention was to rob the fella to acquire some more money. By this time we hit Iowa, we were broke. As we're pulling up, we have him stop like 2 blocks away from the house. I'm supposed to be the one to pull the firearm on this dude.
Come on, man. Just go.
The dude was too nice. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. And my brother ends up pulling the gun on the fella.
Give me all your money. Give me your money now.
And the dude just stares at him.
Come on, let's go, man.
Just looks down the barrel of the gun. No fear, nothing.
Mark listens to Maverick and decides it isn't worth it. Luckily for the Mahers, the driver does not call the police. Still broke, the brothers walk to their sister's house. When they arrive, they're greeted by their brother-in-law, Bill. They learn that their sister is out of town and their niece and nephew are at school.
Where's your sheets out? We gotta lay low for a couple days.
They let their brother-in-law know that they're on the run and ask him if it's okay to stay for a few nights.
As soon as I got in the house, my brother and I went to the basement.
Give me your gun.
Mark quickly finds a hiding place for their weapons.
I didn't want the kids jumping up on me with a firearm on me.
You guys, everything okay so far?
Soon after, Bill comes downstairs and tells them he's going to pick up his kids at school and will be back soon. But their brother-in-law has other plans. He doesn't want the fugitives in his home or around his kids. He heads for the nearest payphone and calls the cops.
That's a report. 2 armed fugitives.
The Des Moines police leap into action, sending multiple units to the home. Inside the house, Mark and Maverick are unarmed and unsuspecting. Outside, officers are getting ready to take the fugitives down once and for all. April 15th, 2000. Brothers Mark and Maverick Maher have been on the run for 2 weeks. When cops get too close to them in Florida, they take a bus to Iowa to escape the heat and see their sister. But their sister is out of town, and their brother-in-law is less than welcoming.
Armed fugitives in my house?
Des Moines police race to the house and prepare for a takedown. Mark decides to head out to buy some beer, but as he steps out the front door, he walks right into the waiting arms of police.
Get your hands off me!
I'm in the basement doing laundry, and I hear creaks and stuff on the floor. I'm thinking my nephew and niece are home. I walk up the steps, and